What's up, YouTube? With Joyville rocking the gaming scene, they just released this. Is it Wooly Bully's cat, daughter, child?
Who knows?
Let's go ahead and get into it and make this thing. What's up, everyone? We went ahead and started with the Super Sculpey Ultralight. Pre-made the body of this cat with some simple shapes and even some twisted armature wire for the tail. Even went ahead and made the skull. We had to cut out the mouth, deepen that mouth hole right there. Gave it these absolutely adorable cat ears. And now with the foundation being completely set, let's go ahead and sculpt it up. Trying something new today. I have not had a lot of experience with the Sculpey colored clay. Alright, after we flattened out the sparkling pink Sculpey, let's just wrap it around the ultralight skeleton, if you will. Just smushing it around in all different places with anything we can get our hands upon. Just smooth it all around, and we take a flattened snake of clay to wrap it around this armature wire for the tail of this adorable kitty cat thing. And that's definitely not its butt, but it will suffice for where the tail needs to go. Alright, now for the short, tedious process of adding fur texture, which wasn't too bad at this point, but as you're seeing, the result definitely paid off. There it is! I didn't use any kind of armature or anything. I just kind of used some tapered snakes of clay and just kind of placed them onto there. This seems like that Sculpey 3 colored clay was pretty tacky enough as it is. Smushing some translucent pre-baked claws in there the same way I do for a lot of teeth. And again, adding some more of that fur texture. Look at there! The skull face thing, let's just wrap it as well with this really nice pink, and taking, if it wants to go in, some black, cutting it out because why do we need all that? We don't. And it looks like I forgot to add some footage. Let's shove those teeth in there into the black gums. Somebody has not been brushing, clearly. And just like several other creatures, let's add some big, thick, juicy red lips onto this thing. But I'm absolutely loving this whole process with colored clay because simultaneously it is satisfying watching it come together quick. And let's shove it on there and send it off to the oven. Bye. She is done. Now, is it me? Or is this not the cutest thing ever?
Even with the sparkles.
Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I hope you've enjoyed this video. And until next time, on to her glamour shots. What lovely weather we're having. But if you made it this far, I got a sweet playlist right here and a pretty cool video you can also watch right here. Have a good one.